Assalamualaikum, hello viewers, how are you everyone? This is Sean speaking and welcome to a new video in Sean's Tech. Unexpectedly, we are not making video using facecam in Bangla language. There are a few problems behind the reasons. Well, today video is about Huawei phones. Recently, Huawei launched their few devices including Huawei Y6P. In this video, we are going to show you Huawei Y6P review and some information about this device. And most importantly, the price and the competitors. So without anything to do, let's get started this video. Starting at the price and launch date, Huawei Y6P was launched in May and its price is about $180, which is around 6,000 BDT. Now let's look at the display. Huawei Y6P has a 6.3-inch IPS LCD capacity touchscreen with dewdrop display. The display is HD, which means 720 into 6000 pixels and 268 ppi density. With 88.4% skin to body ratio, provides a wide and immersive visual experience with a diameter of 2.65 mm. The tiny and discreet front camera with a narrow frame makes it more room to showcase the exciting game graphics and fantastic images with less interruption. Shining in the light with a special coating and sophisticated craftsmanship, the back cover is sparkling with stunning curves under every light and shadow. Elegance and radiance is showcased from every perspective. The phone is about 185 grams weight and glass front build, plastic back and plastic frame. Huawei offered 3 colors including Phantom Purple, Emerald Green, Midnight Black. Now move on the camera. Huawei Y6P has a triple rear camera setup, 30 megapixel f1.8 aperture plus 5 megapixel wide angle lens, f2.2 aperture plus 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture, and the front facing camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture. You can shoot 180p in both cameras. It gives you a monster huge battery which is a 5000 mAh and a standard charger 5 volt 2 ampere. This phone don't support fast charging, so it will need a typical charging time to complete full charge, and the charging backup is also good. Now let's look at the most important things, the hardware. Huawei Y6P is a provided MediaTek MT6762R chipset, CPU, octa-core processor 4x Cortex A53 2.0 GHz plus 4x Cortex A53 1.5 GHz. GPU IMG GE83 20615 mAh. It's running on Android 10 EMUI 10.1 custom UI. There are no Google service for this device, but don't worry, I'll give you some alternative application for Google at the end of the video. You can get 3 or 4 GB RAM and 4 or 64 GB of storage variant with the device, and the good thing is it supported microSD card up to 512 GB. Now let's talk about the sensor. It has all important sensor including fingerprint sensor and ambient light sensor. And the good things is it also supported 3.5 mm headphone jack. So that was the specification of the device. Now let's talk about the competitors and the pros and cons. So if you see, there is a monster battery in this phone and the good display and the processor. So if you're a brand lover, you might be known there is no compare between brand phone into local phone. It can give you a little bit low specification as compared to Xiaomi or a Realme in the market. The display of this device is 9 out of 10, processor 7 out of 10, camera 8 out of 10, and the battery is 9 out of 10. So it all depends on your interest. Oh, I forget one thing, you might know there's no Google service, so you can use YouTube Vans application as a Google alternative. I make a full video about YouTube Vans application. Make sure you will watch, and I will give you at the top of the corner, or you can give in description box. And you can use Google Map or alternative Waze Map, Jeepmate, and DuckDuckGo browser. This is very helpful for Google alternative, and I know this is something that Google's might know. And thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe the red button, and it really appreciate me to make more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.